Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of masking fluid. As you can clearly see, I did a sketch of a frog. Now what I'm doing is painting the frog with masking fluid. And the sort of effect of it is that any place that I paint with the masking fluid, the acrylic paint I'm eventually going to cover the frog with won't be covered with. As you can clearly also see, I'm using a very thin brush, taking very thin strokes, and I'm trying to get every little bit of detail with it. An important tip to remember: when you're drawing out the frog, make sure that you're using a lighter pencil. I would recommend a pencil that was of the H series. Harder gravel comes off as a little bit lighter on paper, and so the marks won't come up, and it's easier to erase later. Once you're finished painting the finer features on the frog, it is very important, and I emphasize very important, that you let the masking fluid dry out, because if you don't let it dry out, then it's going to mix with the acrylic paint and it may remove the paper off and thus ruin the painting. When you begin the process of painting the frog with the acrylic paint, what I highly recommend is that you use a bigger brush, because it will essentially keep a consistency with the brush strokes and it covers a greater area, thus preventing having to do more work than you need to. Today I will be painting with a single color, and that single color is green. Once the acrylic paint has dried, you can start removing the masking fluid. Now, there's two recommended methods that you can use to remove it. You can either use an eraser, which you can clearly see that I'm doing, or you can take dried pieces of masking fluid and start rubbing it towards the other pieces of masking fluid, as you can also see that I'm doing. Do not just pick it off, let it attach to the masking fluid, because if you don't, then you will cause wear and tear to the paper, which could potentially ruin the painting. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel.